Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Leaking from front or top on washer. Is the washer level? If the washer is not level, water can splash off the top of the basket or the load. If the washer cabinet leans too far forward, the interior basket may also seem to be shifted forward. Make sure that all 4 front feet are installed and that the washer is level front to back and side to side. Oversized items, water-resistant materials, or a large unevenly distributed load can cause water to splash off the top of the load or washer basket. Evenly distribute the load in the washer basket. Items should not be higher than the top row of holes on the basket. Be sure not to cover the middle of the impeller. Load close loosely and evenly around the impeller.